Hey guys, it's been a little while since I recorded anything for YouTube. Sorry if the lighting is bad. It's like 6 o'clock, so the sun is almost gone. But we just got the okay from our landlord to redo our kitchen floors. So I'm on my way to Home Depot right now. I'm really excited. I don't know how much you guys saw of the floors in our kitchen cabinet makeover video, but they're pretty awful. um, they're like a dark green with almost like white paint splatter design. I really don't know how to describe it better than that. But I'm probably not going to start today just because it's so late. But I wanted to get all of the materials. I mean, all I really need is the tile, I think. We have like the scissors and everything to cut them if needed. And yeah, I'll probably start early tomorrow morning, but I'm really excited. I'll show you guys everything. I mean, it should be pretty simple. I'm just buying the vinyl peel and stick ones because this isn't our forever home. We don't own this home, but in the time being, I just want the kitchen to look better because the floors are just really disgusting. So I'll see you guys. Good morning. Happy Sunday. We lost an hour of the day last night thanks to daylight savings, so we're getting started bright and early. Well, it's about 9 o'clock right now. I'm gonna show you guys what the floors look like. Biscuit. He sees something. You're in my frame, buddy. Go on, get out of here. All right, well, you get the idea. These are floors now. Gross, disgusting, I know. Like, there are pieces that are missing tile. It looks like whatever's underneath is wood, but I'm not gonna go through the trouble of ripping everything off and trying to restore that because this is not our house and that's just too much work. So these are the new tiles. As I don't know if you can tell, but they're humongous. I didn't expect them to be so big, but I'm fine with that. I think it'll make it a lot easier and it should go faster to cover up all of the flooring in here. What we're using for today's project besides the tile are these shears. They're pretty heavy duty. I've done other floors with regular scissors and it was a bit of a nightmare, so definitely invest in some good pair of scissors just to cut around when we get to the trim and stuff. I'm sure it won't be perfectly even. And then some sort of X-Acto knife or razor for the smaller areas as well. We're just starting out on this corner because that looks like what they did Biscuit with the original tile, and we're gonna work from that out to the rest of the floors, and hopefully the places that we have to cut the most will be under the refrigerator and under the stove. Okay, so as you can see, this piece here is missing, and I think it's actually all loose. Ew, yes. So I don't want to lay a full tile on there because it's obviously not going to be level. So I'm going to be using some of this tile that we have laying around from the bathroom, cut it to size, put it on there, and then we'll put the new tiles on top. Did that to this piece here, so now it's level. We also did it by the sink. It was missing some tile as well. Now we're just kind of laying them out, getting them out of the box. Gonna get started. Okay, so we started putting a couple pieces down when we noticed that you can hear this cracking sound when you walk on the tile. I'm getting kind of mixed information from any research I'm doing online. Some people say that it goes away after about a week or so. I don't know, I'm a little nervous about doing all of the floors and then having that not go away. So I think what we're gonna have to do is buy some adhesive. So we're back from Home Depot. Instead of going for adhesive, we talked to a couple of people in there and they said the cracking noise should resolve itself over time. But just to be safe, we got a tile roller. We ended up renting it. It was only 30 bucks. Thank you for carrying it up the stairs. It's like 100 pounds. This is what it looks like. Well, don't come near my feet. But yeah, so we're gonna use this to roll on top of the tile to make sure we get any air bubbles out of it. make sure the floors were completely settled in before updating you guys. They look so, so good. We're really excited with the results. It completely transformed the kitchen. It doesn't look so old and just gross. The floors before were really gross. I'm sure we can all agree. The biggest tip I have is to definitely get a tile roller. We rented ours for about $28 from Home Depot. You might need a friend to come help you bring it up the stairs if you have as many as we do. It weighs a little over 100 pounds, but I think that can vary. It can be even heavier, but that made all the difference. We were getting some crackling and snapping sounds when we were stepping on the tiles in the beginning, like we showed you earlier, but the tile roller got rid of that, and any tiles that were still making a little bit of noise just settled on their own after a few days. Keep in mind, it was cold in here. We live in New England, and I don't know, it was like 50 degrees out, and on the box it actually mentions that the warmer it is outside, the better it is because the adhesive is softer, so that could have also been causing the problem. Just keep in mind, if you're getting that issue, it should resolve at least over time, because when we were looking it up at first, there was no research we could find online. But yeah, we really love it. Highly recommend. Not that expensive. I think for this entire room, and I actually brought it into the pantry, it cost $230, $240 for all the tile and the tile roller. So definitely worth it. Make sure you take it on a day that you have at least 6 hours to work on it, and that was amongst 2 of us, just because the parts on the edges where you have to cut take a long time. And definitely get good scissors. We thought ours were really good and they were better than scissors I've used before, but we could have used something stronger to make it even easier. Yeah, I'm gonna grab the camera and show you guys what it's looking like. Here they are. It looks so good. We love them so much. As you can see, the kitchen looks way brighter now, especially with the white cabinets that we did a few months ago. This is the other side of the kitchen. Don't mind the empty fruit rack. We haven't really been going out very much with all of this virus stuff. And then, as I said earlier, we brought it into the pantry as well, which I'm not going to go into because it is a bit of a mess. But yeah, I hope you guys love them as much as we do. If you end up doing anything similar in your kitchen, bathroom, this can be redone in pretty much any room. Please send pictures. I'd love to see them. If you have any comments or suggestions for other things that you'd like to see, please leave them down below. Give this video a like, share it to any of your friends that may be interested, and I'll see you guys in the next video.